Most important foreign travelers to India. Top 10 quick facts for last-minute revision. Foreign travelers to India. 10 quick facts for last-minute revision. Marco Polo from Italy visited between 1288 to 1292 AD during the Pandya Kingdom. Ibn Battuta from Morocco stayed between 1333 to 1342 AD under Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Niccolo Conti from Italy visited from 1420 to 1422 AD during the reign of Dev Raya I of Vijayanagar. Zhang Hai from China visited 1421 to 1431 AD, witnessing the rule of Jalaluddin of Bengal. Abdur Razzaq, ambassador from Iran, came in 1442 to 1443 AD during Dev Raya II's reign. Athanasius Nikitin from Russia visited between 1470 to 1474 AD during Muhammad III Bahmani's rule. Bartholomew Diaz, an Italian sailor, traveled across the Deccan around 1503 to 1508 AD. Eduardo Barbosa from Portugal arrived between 1516 to 1518 AD during Krishna Deva Raya's rule. Domingo Paes, another Portuguese, stayed between 1520 to 1522 AD at Vijayanagar. Nanês, a Portuguese merchant, visited during 1535 to 1537 AD under Achyut Deva Raya. Anthony Monserrate, a Portuguese priest, was present during Akbar's reign, 1578 to 1582 AD. Ralph Fitch, the first English traveller, visited between 1585 to 1591 AD under Akbar. Other travellers like Caesar Fred Rising, John Linscoten, Captain Hawkins, William Finch, Sir Thomas Roe, and many more, documented important observations under Mughal emperors like Jahangir, Shah Jahan, and Aurangzeb. Important terms used during Sultanate period. Several administrative and taxation terms were prominent during the Delhi Sultanate. Kharaj, land tax on Hindu landlords. Khalisa, lands directly under crown control. Iktas, land grants awarded to officials. Ghari, house tax. Ghara, grazing tax on cattle. Zakat, alms tax levied on Muslims. Ghanima, war booty, 4/5 belonged to soldiers. Mukta, land grant holders. Khams, 1/5 share of war spoils. Waqf, land dedicated for religious purposes. Sondhar, loans introduced by Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Important terminologies during Gupta Empire. The Gupta period had well-defined administrative terms. Amatya, bureaucratic officials. Mahadand Nayak, head of justice and military. Khita, barren land. Bali, religious tax. Udranga, tax from permanent peasants. Bhaga, 1/6 share of produce given as tax. Sarvadhyaksha, head of Central Secretariat. Mahasandhavigrahika, in charge of foreign affairs and peace treaties. Taxes during Mauryan Empire. The Mauryan Empire had an elaborate taxation system. Pravesha, import duty. Niskasha, export tax. Setu, tax for irrigation services. Khani, tax from mining operations. Bisti, forced labor. Durga, revenue from urban centers. Commissions and their respective ministries. Central Information Commission, under Ministry of Personnel. Finance Commission, under Ministry of Finance. Union Public Service Commission, UPSC, Ministry of Personnel. Interstate Council, Ministry of Home Affairs. Staff Selection Commission, SSC, Ministry of Personnel. National Commission for SCs, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. National Commission for STs, Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Central Vigilance Commission, Ministry of Personnel. Election Commission of India, Ministry of Law and Justice. Lokpal, Ministry of Personnel. National Human Rights Commission, Ministry of Home Affairs. Important Indian National Congress sessions, 1919 to 1947. The Indian National Congress held many crucial sessions, shaping India's freedom struggle. 1920 Special Session, Calcutta. Lala Lajpat Rai presided, Non-Cooperation Movement launched. 1920 Nagpur Session, C. Vijayathavacharya. Reconstitution of Congress committees on linguistic basis. 1922 Gaya Session, C.R. Das, formation of Swaraj Party. 1924 Belgaum Session, Mahatma Gandhi presided, and the only session he headed. 1925 Kanpur Session, Sarojini Naidu became the first Indian woman president. 1928 Calcutta Session, Motilal Nehru, All India Youth Congress established. 1929 Lahore Session, Jawaharlal Nehru declared Purna Swaraj, complete independence. 26th January marked as Independence Day. 1931 Karachi Session, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, resolutions on fundamental rights and economic policy. 1936 Lucknow Session, push towards socialist ideas under Jawaharlal Nehru. 1938 Haripura Session, Subhash Chandra Bose presided, National Planning Committee formed. 1939 Tripuri Session, Subhash Bose resigned, Rajendra Prasad took over. 1946 Meerut Session, J.B. Kriplani presided, the last session before India's independence.